Hey guys, today we're going to read a story called I Can Do Hard Things. This story is written by Gabi Garcia and illustrated by Charity Russell. I don't always feel brave, confident, or strong. Sometimes it's easier to follow others along. I get so many messages about how I should be. Pulled in different directions, I feel wobbly. When this happens, I listen for that quiet voice inside. When I pay attention, that voice is my guide. I connect with the love and strength it brings. It helps me remember I can do hard things. I can be a friend to myself. I can feel all of my feelings. I can ask for help. I can try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. I can speak up when it would be easier to stay quiet. I can say no, even to my friends. I can apologize. I can forgive. I can listen to understand different points of view. I can care for my community. I can choose kindness. I can practice peace. I can share my gifts with the world. I can be myself. And all of these hard things can be about what we feel, say, think, or do. What's hard for me may not be hard for you. You are you and I am me. We walk through the world differently. Trusting my voice helps me find my way. I grow braver and stronger every day. The tough stuff I face is all my own, but I can also remember that I am not alone. I'm ready for the hard things I have to do, and please remember, so are you. So that's the end of the book, and then here is a section about mindful affirmations. I'm going to read this, and you can complete this task if you'd like, but it's not required. To be mindful is to be aware of what is happening right now. An affirmation is a short phrase or statement about yourself that is supportive, helpful, or motivating to you in some way. Mindful affirmations connect you with what you need to hear. Find one for yourself. So step 1, choose an affirmation that you connect with from the book or come up with one on your own. Step 2, take a few deep breaths and repeat it silently to yourself. Pay attention to physical sensations, energized, strong, tingly, calm, relaxed, etc. Notice how it may make you feel. Loving, brave, proud, curious, excited, peaceful, etc. Step 3, think about how this affirmation is supportive or helpful to you. If it isn't helpful or supportive, choose another one. Step 4, write your affirmation down. Place it somewhere that you'll see it and repeat it to yourself daily, weekly, whatever you prefer. What you say to yourself matters. Mindful affirmations become your inner voice, which supports you in doing hard things, whatever that may be for you. The end.